It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be testing out a new face cream that I got. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I've heard really good things about it, but it is extremely expensive. It is £50 for, I believe, 45 or 50 ml, and then you can get a larger pot, probably 100 ml, for about £75. So it is on the high end of the face cream market. So I really wanted to give it a try, and it's supposed to work really well under makeup as a primer, so I thought I would put it to the test. If that's something you fancy watching, then please stay tuned. This is obviously the smaller, I suppose, travel size 15 ml cream. This actually was £25, which for a small pot is quite expensive, and trust me, I am going to use this not very often. So unless it's really good, of course, then, you know, we'll see. But yeah, so basically this cream says, obviously this is Charlotte speaking, I've been mixing my own age-defying moisturiser backstage for years, known as Charlotte's Magic Cream, my secret recipe to instantly transform the appearance of dull, tired skin. Apply cream elixir to face and neck using my Tilbury tap facial technique, which is basically just a normal facial technique, and that's it. Everything else is in French. So yeah, I'm just trying to see on the ingredients if there's anything that stands out to me. But I've just had a quick read and I can't actually see anything that's really sort of screaming out to me that's that unusual to other face creams. But I'm sure there is something in here, because obviously it wouldn't be raved about quite so much. But high up on the list, which is obviously what the most potent ingredients are in the product, the first thing is water. And yeah, not really, lots of long words. Yeah, alkyl benzoate, which is quite good at fighting, you know, acne spots, things like that. So yeah, I mean, we will see. We're going to whack it on anyway. Enough of the chit chat. Right, okay, so as I say, it's a little pot with, I should show you with the lid on really, with the, you know, the signature lid. And this is a plastic pot. I don't know what the bigger size is, if it's plastic or glass, but yeah, this one's plastic. So instant turnaround moisturiser. Let's see. Right, okay, so obviously nothing on my face at all. All I've done is cleanse and toned, and then I'm going to put this on as a base for today's makeup. So it's very thick, very, very thick. So I'm going to pop that on. No smell, but that's not a bad thing. That's actually quite a good thing, really. You want as little scent on your face as possible. Don't know how far this spreads, but that's how much I would normally put on with my cream. So I'm just going to massage with tappy motions this into my skin. Right, okay, so it's all on, and I did the older tippy tappy. So I have to say, it does feel really, really nice. Seems to soak in quite nicely as well, which obviously if you put it under makeup, you're going to want that, because you don't want your makeup to all ball up. So yeah, that is quite nice. It does feel like, you can tell it's good quality as well. It does feel like a really nice face cream. My pores, I would say, don't seem to be that reduced. It hasn't really done anything to blur my pores at all. So if you do have large pores, you would probably want a pore minimising primer on top. But yeah, I'm having quite good skin at the moment. Luckily, I did go through a bit of a phase with the face mask, and it gave me really bad breakouts around here, but it's cleared up at the moment. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going to leave that on. I'm going to go and chuck the rest of my makeup on, give you a quick look and tell you how my makeup applied, if it was any different. And yeah, we'll see how it wears throughout the day. Right, okay, so there's the rest of my makeup on. This look is I've just filmed this for another video, which will be up possibly next one or the one after. But yeah, so I have to say, with regards to my base, it did go on really well. It went on probably better than it normally would. It seemed to blend nicer, a bit more like butter. It just all merged together really nice, took the effort out of the blending, and I do really like this cream, I have to say. I can see what the hype is. I normally struggle with my contouring, and although I haven't really gone that heavy-handed with the contour, it did definitely make it a lot easier to do. My bronzer seems to have settled better into my skin, and although I said it didn't really minimise my pores, once I put my foundation and concealer on, it seemed to settle it seemed to settle a lot nicer on my skin than it normally would. It doesn't sit in my pores, it does still sit, and I didn't go in with another primer because I wanted to test it to the full potential. But yeah, definitely like this, and I think I will be buying the bigger size. I'm not going to tell my husband, but I think I will. So yeah, anyway, there we go. I will definitely check in again later and see how it wears throughout the day. But yeah, so I will see you then. Hi, I've had this on now for, what was it, about midday when I recorded. Sorry, it's a bit wobbly. I've put all my stuff away and I couldn't bother to get it back out again, to be quite honest with you. I'm really tired. It's now 9 o'clock. So I've had it on for, I'm trying to think, well, 9 hours. That's how tired I am. I can't work that out. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that actually. It's probably worked just as well, if not better, than any other primer that I've used. And my makeup is still pretty much fully intact after 9 hours wear. That's pretty good going. So yeah, I would definitely purchase it myself. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, obviously please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you, bye.